Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the crypto world, exploring a platform that has revolutionized the way we trade, invest, and manage our digital assets. I'm talking about none other than Binance, the crypto giant that's been making waves globally. If you're serious about crypto, you've probably already heard of Binance. But today, we're going to explore why it's not just popular, but why it's the absolute best in the game. From spot trading to futures trading, and even individual-to-individual transactions with P2P trading, Binance has got it all. First up, let's talk about spot trading. Binance offers a seamless and user-friendly spot trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform's intuitive design ensures that you can execute trades with ease, whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping a close eye on the market trends. Now, for the risk takers out there, Binance provides a cutting-edge futures trading platform. With leverage options and various trading pairs, you can amplify your gains and navigate the volatile crypto market with confidence. It's like having a crystal ball for your investments. But wait, there's more. Binance stands out with its P2P trading feature, allowing you to engage in direct transactions with other individuals. This peer-to-peer system brings a personal touch to your crypto experience, making it more than just numbers on a screen. Binance isn't just a trading platform, it's a crypto haven. Dive into advanced charts, analytical tools, and top-notch security measures. Your assets are safe, and your journey to financial freedom is well-guided. Now, if you're as excited about Binance as I am, there's something in it for you too. By opening a Binance account through my referral link in the description below, you not only support this channel but also set yourself up for an exclusive experience within the Binance community. That wraps up today's exploration of the incredible world of Binance. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more exciting crypto content. Until next time, happy trading, and may your crypto journey be as exhilarating as the rise of Binance.